Mumbaikars will agree that Khao Gali in Muhammad Ali Road is the place to be during the month of Ramzan. The buzzing street food scene in this locality is something you just cannot miss out on. From lip-smacking kebabs, smoky tikkas and melt-in-your-mouth desserts, Muhammad Ali Road has it all. The best time to reach here would be in the evening at around 7:30 p.m. after everyone breaks their fast. That's when the feast begins. However, you must be warned. The street food here is not for the faint-hearted. If you're in Mumbai and want to have a one-of-a-kind street food experience, Muhammad Ali Road is your best bet.